Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So I received this lovely package from a company and let's open it first. As already you can see, these are some sort of pigments. So we do all use some pearl pigments, that those are alcohol linked, but these are pigments, so I'm really excited to try these. So let's start. So this set includes 16 pearlescent pigments here. So let's open them and let's see the colors. So I can already see there are so many beautiful colors in the packet. So here we go. These are Pearlescent color series by LightWish and they kindly sent me these to try. So I will be trying these a new range of Pearlescent pigment. So when I received these pigments, I thought of and I was thinking of so many difficult ideas that I will be doing with these. And then later on, I thought, why always I have to do something difficult? I can do something easy as well with these pigments. So I can help the beginners as well. I just forget that there are so many amazing beginners and new friends joining me every day because I get so many questions. When I get the questions, I notice that there are so many learners that are joining my page these days. So always doing difficult things make them difficult to understand. So I thought, let's try something simple. So here I'm just sorting out the colors according to the series. So this is a pearlescent coffee brown. I'm so excited about these. These colors look so beautiful, and the palette, you can see this, the below palette is such a beautiful rainbowish color, and the above palette is a bit of pink, beige, such a beautiful elegant palette. So yeah, when I was arranging, there was so many ideas that were coming again, but I really wanted to go very simple this time. So what I'm doing here is I will be just showing you. So at the moment, I'm taking out my smaller cups to pour my colors in because I will be showing the colors one by one. So in this way, I know and you can all see what these color shades look like. So I think I've just added around 10 ml of resin in these tiny containers, and I will be adding few drops of this color in each of them. And I will be going in a color combination, or you can say color variant, or a shades of different colors. It's just in my mind I'm going like this, but you can go as you wish. It's really up to you. So I ordered this gummy bear mold. Let me open it first. So this is the best way to see all the colors that are in this set. So I am mixing all my colors and I will be adding one by one into this teeny tiny gummy bear molds. So Halloween is coming, so I thought, why not make something sweet? So you will see what I will be making just as I go. So since the gummy bear mold is so small, it needs very less resin. So I had a lot of resin left over. So this mold was close to me. I thought, why not I pour it like a, you can say marble effect, or you can say dirty pour, whatever you like to say. I'm just pouring all the colors. So initially I was going to make one project, but it seemed like there will be two. So let's see. I have mixed first 8 colors. Now I'm mixing the second batch of 8 colors. So I will be doing the same mixing colors, and I am adding few drops and then adding it into the mold and then into the trinket dish that I will be making. And then the rest of it is going into the trinket mold. So just let me set an angle for you so we can see it, how it looks like when I'm pouring it them. So here we go. So I'm just loving these colors. They are so delicate, and you can say they are not highly pigmented pearlescent pigments. So I just love the sheen and little color they add to the resin project. I think these are beautiful for creating glass effect or crystals. The crystals will turn out amazing. So when after I was doing this, I thought I will be making crystals with these pigments because I'm sure the crystals will come out so amazing. So a lot of people do ask me that what pigments do I use for my crystals and when I make things that are very lightly pigmented. So I think this is a game changer, and I really love these pigments. They are so beautiful. Just little bit of pearl to them and that's it. So now I will be doing the same here. I will be adding it into the mold and then into my trinket dish. So almost all colors are poured now, so I will now leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day and I'm so excited. First, I will be demolding this trinket dish. So I just totally forgot to tell you that the resin that I used in this project is by Istoyo Resin, and it's a 1-to-1 low viscosity resin. I have a discount code available in my description if you like to treat yourself. Such a beautiful resin, crystal clear results. And I have made a lot of flower technique and different technique with this resin. So far I'm loving it. So this is how the trinket dish looked like, and as I told you, such a beautiful shade of color, very light. So I got a little air bubble there, so no worries because this was actually an extra. So now it's time to demold the gummy bears. So just removing my first one, and you can see how beautiful lightly colored this gummy bear is. So in this way I will be removing all of them. So look how cute they look like, and these are so beautiful. Actually, I think these are transparent pearlescent pigments. I can say it best suit them. So I thought, why not make a tray of gummy bears since it's Halloween and we need dishes for trick and treat to put our sweets in there. So yes, so I poured a clear resin into the trinket tray mold here. So again, I'm using Istoyo Resin. And also one thing I want to tell you that actually the gummy bears are made into 15 colors. One color, that is the pearlescent pearl color, I left it alone. So I will be using that as for my packing. Rest of the colors I have made the gummy bears out of it. So in this way I will be only using the pigments and the resin here, just to show you the details for this pigment, making it simple. So I'm just using my heat gun to move the resin into the trinket dish, also removing the bubbles that do stuck into the corners. So I will be gently with a tool, not so sharp tool, I'm just moving it along the edges of the trinket tray to release any bubble that is trapped inside. And a final blowtorch, and after that I will be arranging the gummy bears. So here we go, and I will be arranging them according to the color combination, the sequence that I have made. You can make in any way you like. because I really wanted to see the all colors. So that's why I made it in different colors. You can use same colors. It's really up to you. So after arranging them all, I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day and my layer has been cured now. So this is the last pigment that I didn't use for making the beer. So this is going to be the back of this trinket tray. So here I have mixed my resin and now I will be adding this. I think I will be a bit generous, as you can see. And now I'm just mixing it, and after that I will be pouring it into the tray. So as you can see, I'm mixing it and I'm showing you that although I have added a lot, but still it's on the transparent side. So this is something really different, and I'm loving these because usually when you add some mica or anything, it do get so highly concentrated, and but this time it's just a beautiful sheen of that pearlescent. So this is really good for creating that transparent pearl look. Perfect. So as I'm mixing, I'm just checking on the color again and again. That's it. That what I was doing here. So now I have arranged my tray, and now I will be pouring it into the trinket tray now. So here we go. So just adding the resin and filling up the tray. So it's all done now, and I'll leave this to cure and see you next day. So this is the next day, time to demold. So this is how it looks like. Still you can see the color is so pigment that you can see the gummy bears, but believe me, it's solid from the back. And this is how it looked like. Yeah, it is a bit, I told you that these are transparent pearl pigments and they are really pretty, so beautiful. Just let me do some top coating and add some little bit extra details and you will be loving the tray. So I took out my gilding glue and I applied it to the edges of this tray and it's now dried. So I will be taking out my mirror gold and I'm just telling you here that with the tool I applied all the gilding glue, that's it. And now it's dried. After a few hours, So after a few hours, it's all dried now and I'm using this mirror gold. Just sharing a secret here that this mirror gold is your best friend. Yes, I'm telling you right that it is. So I'm just taking out my mirror gold, and although I have different colors, but it's always a gold that comes to my hand. So here I'm gently just rubbing it onto the tray, and I'm not applying a lot of pressure. Just a gentle rub and you will see the magic. Very gently I'm just pulling it off. And there you go. So one thing I would let you know that if there is a bit thicker layer of the gilding glue, it do take some time to dry. So I had some problem that's happening here. You can see on the top that I have some area that is left over. So it's not an issue. You just apply the gilding glue again and let it dry and then use your mirror foil on the edge. So it's almost done now. So it's time to top coat. And I have mixed my resin and I'm just adding it into the trinket tray and it will bring out the beauty of these gummy bears. And gently I will be adding a layer of clear resin and then I will be using my heat gun to move the resin all around so that I do not get any bubbles. And you can see as I poured the resin, the gummy bears are coming out, and you can see their color perfectly. And just to let you know that after I applied the gilding glue, I did a top coat on the edges as well. So now I will leave this to cure and see you next day. And this is next day, and my last step is that I have, so this is a sticky felt, and I cut it according to the size and put it to the back of the trinket tray, and it's all done now, and this is the final look. So I hope you like these, and to me they look like that these gummy bears are inserted into something fluffy here. Totally looking beautiful, and you can make more of these bears and add in between, but I think they look enough and beautiful, complementing each other really nicely. And also I can see all the colors, and that golden edging did end up really beautiful. So stay tuned, there will be some pictures of the trinket tray that I made from these pigments, and you will see how it turned out. I will be showing you a tutorial on that technique as well. So that will be just a look of the trinket dish that I did. So I hope you liked it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.